Welcome to my terrible unboxing video. Let's do this. The reason I purchased this was to not have to sign any more contracts with local internet providers, sucky companies. This is a mobile Wi-Fi router. This should be my SIM card. And we're going to plug it up and see how it goes. Now, I am doing this for the sole purpose of testing an affiliate link, so you will find links for ordering these directly from Amazon at the lowest cost that I could find. Well, whatever. And if you do that, it kicks me back a little bit of change, which I consider a tip. I don't even know how you say Huawei. Let's open it up. This is a very chunky box. I've never used or opened or have any experience with these. Opens nice and smooth, nicely packed, some extra little foam ridges. Seems well done. Here's the device. Oh, that's nice. Feels like a sturdy glasses case. It's kind of light, plasticky, feels well made. It's a pretty sweet gadget. I don't know if you can tell from my setting, but I don't usually have the most current up-to-date gadgets. They're kind of primitive. Alright, packaging. I should probably take my time. Beneath the package here is another envelope of some sort. It would appear to be safety information, quick start guide, warranty card. I'll set Mr. Quick Start aside because if all goes as planned, we'll get this fired up and operating, hopefully quickly. Plug, USB international European thing. Doesn't do me any good, but that's neat. This has a USB. About that. Standard USB. Now, this has a something like a 6000 mAh battery, rechargeable, and it said like 20 some hours of usability time. So, I did discover little buttons, clicky, and a little opening that the charger goes right into. Cool. And there's an Ethernet port and a output W2A kind of USB of some sort. I'll let you get up in there and look. Pretty smooth all around. Funky logo. I've got a USB outlet right here. I don't know if it comes charged. I have no idea what I'm doing. Ooh, little screen pops up. Huawei. Alright, anyway, set that down. That's cool. And our last little box in here contains nothing. A little spacer. It's kind of a rigid box. I'd say overall, kind of nice packaging. Put things kind of back in here. Everything fits nicely. What is this? Oh, surprise. It looks like a, I guess I'll be opening it up. Oh, alright. So it's one of these style plugs. My phone charges on that. So I guess you can plug this standard into here and then it converts it to that for reasons. Let's see, alright. So that's cool. there's our stuff. Okay, so we've got our activate SIM, Mint Mobile. This was 8 gigabytes a month. 8 gigabytes a month, 3 months of service, $60. So it was $20 a month for 8 gigs. I'm not a big data monster, but I use computer. Try to upload stupid things like this. Woo! All right, so we got a lot of cute little characters on here. Let the savings begin. And I compared all the local options, all the options on Amazon, and this seemed to be the best deal. And I was looked up Mint. They use the LTEMobile towers, which is fine in my area, as it is most areas. Savings, that's alive. So this is a little deal. Pulls out, and you can continue breaking this down into smaller SIM cards. I don't know what this uses. Let's find out. I see a little edge here that I can get a fingernail under, and poppity poppity, there's a little spot for SIM card. Let's see, no, where did I put that SIM card? There it is. Looks like I need to take it out and drop it. Mint. Pretty similar to a cell phone. Let's see if I can just slide that in there. Hey, okay. SIM in. I guess we can. Oh, there's an expansion slot for SD card memory. And a reset button. And then you've got your Huawei model Wi-Fi Pro2, your model number, SSID, Wi-Fi key, IP, user admin, password admin. That will probably come in handy momentarily. And clickety-clackety, get back on there like a good little thing. Man, look at that. I can accessorize, carry this puppy around with me like I'm cool. Alright, so power button. Ooh, it's got a 36% charge on it from the start. What happens next? Well, that's giving me a thing. Let's see what happens to that quick start guide. Quick start guide. Quick start guide. Micro SD card, micro SIM card, slot screen covers, we got all that going. That's cool. Insert the strap. What? The strap unplugs, revealing a thing. Charging other devices using the charging strap. Okay. So, oh, this pops off, separates, and you can charge a phone or other device. So you've got your kind of whatever you call it, standard Android-y plug, and then whatever this newer one is, like my phone uses, we'll jack onto there. This will plug into, let's say, here. Sure enough. And then you can charge your phone or device from the giant battery that's in here. Hey, no complaints. That's kind of neat. And then this little thing clicks back. It's got a neat. And then this little guy Oh, I'm gonna take off our adapter, but then this will shove back into the strap. Not bad, pretty clever, smarter than me. Okay, so that's on. Let's see what happens if we open up the laptop. This did not prompt me with any other thing. There's a WPS button. Honestly, I've never used those because I'm primitive. Cat 6, 640 mAh, 24 wah. Whatever. So my laptop only functions with a mouse because I pulled it apart. And now this doesn't work. Come on, computer. Not 696. And loopy-doop, loopy-doop. And no Wi-Fi networks found. Well, there should be Wi-Fi networks. I got neighbors. Wi-Fi turned off. Turn back on manually. Oh. Not connected. Wi-Fi. Hidden network? I don't know about that. Let's hold down that WPS button. Do you want to do anything? Let's see. If this hidden network option is my guy here, let's try it. SSID. Enter the information that's on the back here. Now this is both an experiment with turning on this device, connecting for the first time, with the first time using this micro SD card. So we've got a lot of variables here. It's establishing secure connection with a my.ultramobile.com activation, assuming needing to activate this SIM card. Okay, activate your Ultra SIM card. Neat. MintMobile.com .activate, huh? Interesting. This is not an Ultra. Let's try the website on the card to activate. Activation. There we are. Hey, that is my SIM card. That took a while to load. That's not reassuring, but it's internet. That's kind of neat. 4867. Boop blop. Bing bong. Doop. Boop boop. Start or resume your activation. Enter your zip code. Seems to be working, and I do not need to transfer a number. I just need a new number. I'm actually not even using this as a phone. The entire purpose of this card is just for this data. Yeah, I agree. Proceed with activation. Hang tight while we kick off the activation process. Add your billing info. I don't want any renewing going on here. No thanks. So we will skip that. My account. I guess I can make one. My name's Tom. My last name is my last name. And we will use password. I'm going to change that. Go. Wow. Broken the Lycon pictures. but they're shaking. Okay, mobile. This little thing. We've experienced an error. Yay! Turn off the device. There we go. Held down the power button for a minute. We got a little logo on the screen. Welcome. Welcome. All right. T-Mobile, 5.11 megabytes, Wi-Fi. I think we've got a connection now, as that seems to be indicating something neat. Gee. Oh, son of a gun. Something happened. Ah, hey, I'm connected. I'm getting updates. T-Mobile, connected. Okay. Wow. All right. Yeah, it's giving me all my updates and alerts. Huawei, F19, yada yada yada. That's all there. What is Mint Mobile going to tell me? I probably should log in and see what account information that might have worked. I don't know what I'm doing. That's how you know it's authentic. But cool. All right. I never got a phone number or any other information from that SIM card, but I will agree. See what happens. At this point, thank you for watching, and if you are at all interested in this doohickey, then use the link below so I can even find out if my life means anything anymore. Why are you still here? Okay. My Mint Mobile. No. Hey, call me up on that phone number. I don't know what will happen. Okay, it has my plan information, when it expires, information, auto renew. I'll probably renew that. Neat. Okay. Thank you.